So you throw your heart into preparing and delivering a sermon only to see almost no response? We've all been there as preachers. I've been there, and my guess is you've been there too. Carey Nieuwhof here. And today we're diving into a crucial topic for pastors and church leaders: 3 reasons why your sermon doesn't connect and how to fix it. Stick around until the end because I've got a free preaching cheat sheet that's going to help you craft messages that resonate more powerfully with your congregation every single time. So reason number 1, you're not starting with tension. First up, question for you: are you starting your sermons with tension? Now, this is crucial. You see, that's what I did at the beginning of this video. It's like, hey, you ever pour your heart into something like it doesn't deliver? People are like, yeah, because people engage with content that immediately piques their interest. If your opening doesn't create curiosity or address a felt need, then you might lose your audience before you even dive into your main point. So what you do is start thinking about the struggles, the questions, and the challenges that your congregation is facing, and start there. Make them feel like, oh yeah, this guy's speaking or this woman's speaking directly to me. So what you want to do is open with a compelling question, a surprising fact, or a relatable story. Now, this creates a hook that draws your audience in and sets the stage for deeper engagement. Remember, the first few moments of your sermon are critical to capturing attention. Reason number 2, your point isn't clear. The second reason your sermon might not be resonating is just a lack of clarity. If your congregation can't summarize what your sermon was about in a single sentence, it's time to rethink how you're preaching. A clear, concise message is more memorable and more impactful. So the question is, how do you achieve this? Before you even start writing, clarify your main point. Ask yourself, what is the one thing I want people to remember? Everything in your sermon should be supporting this central idea, and if it doesn't, cut it out. Less is often more. Reason number 3, lack of application. The third reason that your message doesn't connect is simply you haven't thought through its application in the real world. Because it's not enough to teach. You have to show how to live out the teachings. People crave practical, actionable steps they can apply to their everyday life. So to fix this, ensure that every point in your sermon has a clear application. Ask yourself a simple question: how does this apply to the daily life of the people I serve? And then offer concrete steps or actions they can take during the week. This not only makes your sermon more relevant, but also more transformative because they're doing something with what they've learned. So there you have it. 3 reasons your sermons might not be hitting the mark and easy ways to fix them. Remember, effective preaching isn't just about delivering information, it's about facilitating transformation. I know how challenging it can be to keep your sermons fresh and relevant, especially when you have to preach week after week. And so to help you with that, I've created a 10-step preaching cheat sheet. After decades of preaching, I've simplified my sermon prep into a series of steps that helps me ensure my sermons are engaging, relevant, and memorable before I deliver them. It's easy to use. It's just 10 simple prompts that you can start using as early as this week. So visit preachingcheatsheet.com or click the link in the description to get a free copy sent to you today. And if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe and turn on the bell. Or better yet, will you simply share it with another church leader? Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.